Hi, my name is Wan. Welcome back. I'm a coach based in Singapore. In this sharing, I would like to share an example of art of asking questions for ChatGPT in the area of self-care. If you have not watched the previous video, I will share the link in the description of this video. In this sharing, the example I'm going to use is about lower back pain. Let's get started. And before I share an example of using the art of asking questions using lower back pain as example, let's try to ask ChatGPT without using the guideline. And here is ChatGPT. I just share a statement. Back, I have lower back pain. And without giving more information, as you can see, ChatGPT is trying to share some ideas to help in this situation, the lower back pain. And the idea are mostly about what I can do to reduce lower back pain. And that is common response from ChatGPT. It's about solutioning. And let's see what happened when we apply the guideline for asking deeper questions. And just to recap, the question that we are trying to ask has three parts. Outcome, input and constraint, and three category of information we can use to craft the question or the prompt. Let's see the first example. In the first example, we may ask more of a doing question, like what could we do to reduce the lower back pain? And we can share the observation that I have been sitting for more than 8 hours and the feeling is lost during working for long hours. And another observation is I may have sitting for long hours for many years. And here is a question that we may ask ChatGPT. So the outcome is what could keep me sitting for more than 8 hours per day, like possible reason behind that behavior, sitting for 8 hours, more than 8 hours per day. And the input is the observation is I sit more than 8 hours per day and I feel lost while working. And the constraint is this has happened for more than 20 years. And what could the response from ChatGPT? And as you can see, is very much focused on the sitting for long hours and also highlight the potential consequence of sitting long hours and remind me of the consequence, and is also offering some tips to reduce the lower back pain. And it also shared that the changes may take time and require small steps. And if you compare this response versus the generic one, I have back pain, is more specific to the situation that I share, and there is a power of the art of asking. By offering information in three categories, the response may be closer to the situation that you share and respond accordingly. So here it is. So what's another way of asking a question for being? What is behind the long-term behavior of sitting for long hours? And let's try it. And this is the question that I have about. So the outcome is like the value that I have is to be free, and I want to be free from my own prison. And the background story that I have is I work hard for financial freedom, and I believe with financial security, I can be free. And the constraint is I'm a middle-aged person. In reality, my retirement age is coming, so I'm short of time. Let's see what could ChatGPT suggest. And first thing is it empathize with my priority, financial freedom, as my uh, attention. And it actually suggests a few ways to um, help in financial freedom. And that it offers more than that. It says financial freedom is a long-term goal and require planning, discipline, and patience. And it offers further uh, insight to gain financial freedom is small step, making smart decisions. And here it is by being more detailed and offering different uh, focus or attention area. ChatGPT could respond in a more insightful manner. Thank you for your time. I wonder what is your experience in using ChatGPT for self-care. Share your experience in the comment section. Thank you.